So good day, here's our Whirlwind pinball project here. As you can see, I've got the spinning discs on the playfield here. One of these wheels is missing a bolt, and I tried to find the same bolt as the other one. It's a 8/32 thread, but unfortunately the head's a little bit different, and so it doesn't quite go, it doesn't seat flushly within this hole. So I tried looking all over to find a bolt. I guess I could have maybe got one and ground off the head a little bit, but I don't have a grinder right handy. So today I thought, hey, what the hey, why don't I check it out? And I noticed that the head, I measured the head and it's 5/16 across. So I grabbed a 5/16 of an inch drill bit, and I was kind of a little bit nervous about putting it in my drill and just spinning it forwards because I didn't want to drill too deeply. So what I did is I drilled just with my hands there, and I kept testing it. And then what I did here at the end here, I just put it into the chuck of my drill here. And I just ran it backwards here just to kind of smooth out the hole there. And then let me just grab this here and find the right screwdriver for this guy. Timothy, you want to pass me that screwdriver over there? See that one under the keyboard there?
Is it the hot glue?
There we go. Oh, that's the wrong type. Let's see if I can find the right one here. Oh, here. Well, neither of these are the right screwdriver here, but it'll kind of do for now. I'll have to find the right one afterwards. So I'm still a little bit proud here, like it's still sticking up a bit here on me here. Oh, actually, that's getting pretty darn close, So I'm going to just run it. If I can get this. There we go. So I'm going to see if I can scrape a little bit more off with the drill bit here. Let's just grab that drill bit again here, put my screw up here. So we'll just spin it around here a little bit more here and just try to shave out a little bit more so we can get it go down a little bit farther here without... So it's still got a place to grab a hold of here. And it's not quite the same taper here. Unfortunately, this is kind of a shallower, I guess that's the word for it, a shallower taper than the head of my screw here. You can see it's not quite the same angle there, but it's similar-ish. So in theory it should work. So let's put this back to my drill here. And we'll run this backwards again, kind of smooth it out a bit again here. Let's try that again here.
And then Timothy and Benjamin going to play again.
Yeah, then we could play a game again afterwards. So so far we've got the flippers hooked up. We don't really have anything else really hooked up. I put a ramp in yesterday. Oh, look at that. That feels pretty good there. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, look at that. So I'm going to find the right screwdriver and snug that up there afterwards. So yesterday we put on the ramps here, and you can kind of take a look here. So this is, I can't remember what the names are for all these different ramps here, but we put this ramp down here. It's a used one, but it still seems to be working okay. And put the screws on here to fasten it into place here and secure it so it doesn't take off on us. We still got quite a bit of work to do. I've got most of the mechanical parts in here. I still have a few targets to put into place. This one. Another one goes right here. There's another one goes right here. I think that's about it for the stand-up targets. And got to finish assembling the pop bumpers here. We're going to put the little rings on there. And then there's another ramp that's going to be going over here. Like there's like a little lift flap here. And then there's a ramp that goes here. We have that ramp here, but we don't have all the proper stoppers at the end for it, so I might have to manufacture that myself because they seem to be kind of unobtainium. So we might have to go visit the steel or the metal shop again there and see if we can't get a couple pieces of metal and get them to punch some holes in them for us and whatnot. I don't have a hole punch like that. Actually, we might have one at work, so I might be able to cut it. I think it'll be stainless too. So they suggest, or it looks like the original stuff's done in stainless. So, anyways, just snug these guys up here. Put another bolt in up here. So I find it really easy to do the stuff that you see that there's something, you're making progress. When it comes to the little fiddly things like little lights and the little fiddly switches and whatnot, I find it a lot slower. Like I've been working on this project for probably the better part of 2 years now. And it's been slow going because, well, the first parts go fast. When I got all the pieces like the ramps and whatnot and the rails, those all went in really nice and fast. But then when it comes to the little small things there, it seems like it's kind of to grab the motivation to get those in there. So, but it was pretty cool to get the flippers going and whatnot, so we're able to play it a little bit and whack the ball around a bit. Anyways, have a great day. Bye for now.